I'm over 100 years old and I'm still here for one simple reason: what I ate every single day. Not supplements, not trends, just 7 ordinary foods that quietly protected my heart, muscles, brain, and immune system year after year. Most people ignore them until it's too late. If you want to stay strong, alert, and independent far longer than you expect, listen closely. Oily fish. Long life is not built on rare superfoods or complicated rules. It is built on quiet habits repeated for decades. One of the strongest of those habits is eating oily fish regularly. Sardines, mackerel, and salmon were not luxury items. They were simple, affordable foods eaten consistently, long before anyone talked about omega-3 fats or brain health. Oily fish protects the body in ways you cannot feel right away, which is why many people underestimate it. Inside the blood vessels, these fats keep the walls flexible instead of stiff. That flexibility allows blood to flow smoothly, reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of clots. Over time, this protection adds up. Decades later, it can mean the difference between staying active and becoming limited by heart disease or stroke. The brain depends heavily on fat to function properly. Oily fish provides the exact type the brain needs to maintain communication between cells. This supports memory, focus, and reaction time. Many people assume mental decline is inevitable with age, but populations that eat fish regularly show slower cognitive aging. The brain stays sharper because it is constantly supplied with the materials it needs to repair itself. Inflammation is another silent threat. Chronic low-level inflammation accelerates aging, damages joints, and weakens immunity. Oily fish naturally reduces this inflammation, calming the immune system instead of overstimulating it. This helps protect joints from stiffness and pain while also supporting recovery from illness. There is also a muscle benefit that often gets overlooked. Protein from fish is easy to digest and efficiently used by the body. This supports muscle maintenance, which is critical for balance, mobility, and independence later in life. Strong muscles protect against falls, fractures, and long recovery periods. Eating oily fish is not about chasing longevity trends. It is about feeding the systems that keep you alive quietly and reliably. Over many years, this single habit supports the heart, the brain, the muscles, and the immune system at the same time. That is how simple foods help create an extraordinarily long life. Eggs. Eggs were never treated as a special health food. They were simply part of daily life. Yet few foods support long-term strength and brain function as quietly and effectively as eggs. They provide a rare combination of nutrients that become more important with age, not less. One of the most critical benefits of eggs is their complete protein. As people grow older, the body becomes less efficient at using protein to maintain muscle. This is why many seniors lose strength even when they eat enough calories. Eggs solve this problem by delivering protein in a form the body can easily absorb and use. This helps preserve muscle mass, which supports posture, balance, and the ability to stand up, walk, and carry daily loads without strain. Eggs are also one of the best natural sources of choline. Choline plays a key role in memory, learning, and nerve signaling. Without enough of it, communication between brain cells weakens over time. Many people notice this as forgetfulness, slower thinking, or reduced focus. Regular egg consumption helps maintain healthy brain chemistry and supports mental clarity well into old age. Vision is another area where eggs quietly protect longevity. The yolk contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 compounds that accumulate in the retina. These nutrients filter harmful light and reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. Over decades, this protection can lower the risk of age-related vision decline that limits independence and quality of life. Eggs also support hormone balance and immune function. They supply vitamins A, D, E, and B12 in natural forms that the body recognizes and uses efficiently. These nutrients help regulate inflammation, support energy production, and strengthen immune response. The simplicity of eggs is what makes them powerful. They require no processing, no supplementation, and no complex preparation. When eaten consistently over a lifetime, eggs quietly reinforce the systems that allow the body and brain to keep functioning long after most people expect decline. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils rarely get credit for keeping people alive into extreme old age. They are simple, filling, and often overlooked. Yet they quietly support some of the most important systems that determine how long the body stays stable and resilient. One of their strongest benefits is blood sugar control. As people age, the body becomes more sensitive to spikes and crashes in glucose. These swings strain the pancreas, damage blood vessels, and accelerate fatigue. Beans and lentils release energy slowly. Their combination of fiber and plant protein keeps blood sugar steady for hours, reducing stress on the metabolic system and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. The fiber in legumes also feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut does far more than aid digestion. It regulates inflammation, influences immune strength, and even affects mood and cognition. When the gut microbiome is supported, the body becomes better at absorbing nutrients and defending itself against illness. Over decades, this internal balance becomes a powerful form of protection. Cholesterol management is another quiet advantage. Soluble fiber in beans binds to excess cholesterol in the digestive tract and helps remove it from the body. This reduces buildup inside arteries and lowers long-term risk of heart disease. Unlike extreme diets, this effect happens gradually and safely without shocking the system. Beans and lentils also provide minerals that aging bodies struggle to maintain. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and nerve function. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Iron supports oxygen delivery to tissues, preventing fatigue and weakness. These nutrients arrive in forms the body can use without strain. Perhaps most importantly, legumes are gentle. They do not overload the kidneys, spike insulin, or burden digestion when prepared properly. Their reliability is what makes them powerful, eaten regularly across a lifetime. Beans and lentils help stabilize energy, protect the heart, and support the internal systems that quietly keep the body functioning year after year. Leafy greens. Leafy greens were never eaten for excitement. They were eaten because the body learned to depend on them. Spinach, kale, and bok choy deliver nutrients that aging systems quietly run out of, often without obvious warning signs until damage has already begun. One of the most important roles of leafy greens is mineral support. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, and heart rhythm. As levels decline, people experience cramps, stiffness, irregular heartbeat, and poor sleep. Leafy greens replenish magnesium gently and consistently, helping the body stay calm and coordinated rather than tense and fragile. Bone strength is another area where greens matter more with age. Vitamin K helps direct calcium into bones instead of arteries. Without enough of it, bones weaken while blood vessels stiffen. Regular intake of leafy greens supports stronger bones and healthier circulation at the same time, reducing fracture risk and protecting heart health. Vision and brain health also benefit from the pigments found in greens. Compounds like lutein accumulate in the eyes and brain, where they reduce oxidative stress and protect delicate tissues. Over decades, this protection can slow vision decline and support cognitive clarity, helping people stay independent longer. Leafy greens also support blood flow. Natural nitrates in these vegetables help blood vessels relax, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach muscles and organs, reducing fatigue and improving endurance even in advanced age. Perhaps their greatest strength is how little they demand from the body. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in nourishment. They support digestion rather than burden it and reduce inflammation instead of triggering it. When eaten consistently, they quietly reinforce the foundations of long life by keeping bones strong, blood flowing, and cells protected year after year. Fermented foods. Fermented foods were part of daily life long before modern medicine tried to replace them. Yogurt, miso, and natto were eaten not for flavor alone, but because the body responded better when they were included regularly. Their true power lies in how they strengthen the systems that protect the body from decline. The gut is one of the first systems to weaken with age. Digestion slows, nutrient absorption drops, and immunity becomes less reliable. Fermented foods help restore balance by introducing beneficial bacteria that support the digestive tract. These bacteria assist in breaking down food, producing vitamins, and protecting the gut lining from damage. A healthy gut has a direct impact on immune strength. Much of the immune system is connected to the digestive tract. When gut bacteria are balanced, the immune response becomes calmer and more effective. This reduces chronic inflammation while improving the body's ability to fight infections. Over time, this balance can mean fewer illnesses and faster recovery. Fermented foods also improve how the body absorbs nutrients. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron become easier to use when digestion is supported by healthy bacteria. This is especially important as the stomach produces less acid with age, making nutrient absorption more difficult. Fermented foods help compensate for this natural decline. Another overlooked benefit is their effect on inflammation. Chronic inflammation accelerates aging and contributes to joint pain, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline. Fermented foods help regulate inflammatory signals, allowing the body to repair rather than constantly react. These foods work quietly and consistently. They do not rely on large doses or dramatic changes. Small, regular amounts are enough to support digestion, immunity, and nutrient use over decades. By strengthening the gut, fermented foods indirectly protect nearly every system in the body. This internal stability plays a critical role in reaching extreme old age with strength and clarity intact. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes were never treated as comfort food or a side dish. They were a foundation. When eaten regularly, they provide steady energy without exhausting the body, something that becomes critical as metabolism changes with age. One of the biggest advantages of sweet potatoes is how slowly they release glucose into the bloodstream. Unlike refined carbohydrates that cause sharp spikes followed by crashes, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting fuel. This protects the pancreas, reduces insulin stress, and keeps energy levels stable throughout the day. Over decades, this stability lowers the risk of metabolic disease and chronic fatigue. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and gut health. As digestion slows with age, constipation and nutrient malabsorption become common problems. Fiber keeps the digestive system moving smoothly while also feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation throughout the body. Another key benefit comes from their deep color. Sweet potatoes contain carotenoids that the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for immune strength, skin integrity, and vision. Strong immunity becomes more important with age, as infections carry greater risk and recovery takes longer. Vitamin A supports the first line of defense that keeps illness from taking hold. Muscle and nerve function also benefit from the potassium found in sweet potatoes. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signaling. Adequate levels reduce muscle weakness, cramps, and irregular heartbeat. These issues are often dismissed as normal aging, but they are frequently signs of mineral depletion. Sweet potatoes are gentle, filling, and nourishing without being heavy. They do not strain digestion or overwhelm blood sugar control. Eaten consistently, they help the body maintain energy, immune resilience, and digestive stability. Year after year, this quiet reliability is exactly what allows simple foods like sweet potatoes to support a very long life. Olive oil. Olive oil was never measured or tracked. It was simply used every day. Over time, that daily habit quietly shaped the health of the entire body. Few foods influence so many systems at once with so little effort. One of the greatest strengths of olive oil is how it protects the heart. The fats it contains help reduce harmful cholesterol while supporting the flexible structure of blood vessels. This lowers strain on the heart and improves circulation. Better circulation means organs receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, reducing fatigue and long-term damage. Olive oil also plays a powerful role in controlling inflammation. Chronic inflammation slowly wears down joints, blood vessels, and brain tissue. The compounds in olive oil help calm this process, allowing the body to repair itself instead of remaining in a constant state of stress. Over many years, this reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, joint pain, and cognitive decline. The brain benefits as well. Healthy fats support the structure of brain cells and protect them from oxidative damage. Regular olive oil intake is linked to better memory and slower cognitive aging. This protection becomes especially important as natural repair mechanisms slow with age. Digestion is another area where olive oil quietly helps. It supports bile flow, improves nutrient absorption, and keeps the digestive tract moving smoothly. This reduces discomfort and helps the body make better use of the foods it eats. Olive oil also contributes to longevity by replacing more damaging fats. When used as the primary cooking and dressing fat, it reduces exposure to oils that promote inflammation and vascular damage. This is what makes olive oil so powerful. It requires no special planning and no drastic change. Used consistently, it protects the heart, the brain, the joints, and the digestive system at the same time. Over a lifetime, that steady protection adds up to remarkable resilience and extraordinary longevity. Reaching 100 was not luck. It was daily choices repeated quietly for decades. These 7 foods protected the heart, strengthened the muscles, supported the brain, and kept inflammation under control. Longevity is not built in a single year. It is built one meal at a time. Start with one change today, stay consistent, and let your future body thank you for it.